there. Have a nice flight.
It is currently 4:49 a.m. and we are on our way to the mall for a Star Wars limited edition lightsaber pin set. Yes.
Good morning.
Yes, we are probably insane.
The early bird gets the worm.
But yes, so we will update you all when we get to the mall. But for now, we're just on our way. There is literally, well, one car in front of us, but barely anybody out at this hour. So we will update you all when we get there.
It's currently 5 a.m. There's not a soul in sight.
It is literally like, what time is it? 6?
It is currently 6:26.
We have been here since like 4:55.
Correct.
And
It's freezing
it is
cold.
freezing.
And
It's
we're
not-
crazy.
Yes.
Well, I'm not crazy. She's crazy. No, I'm just kidding. The other way
We're
around,
equally as crazy because we're both here.
I suppose.
But we were waiting in the car and we were watching for cars to pull in, and then Harrison notices a truck pull in. And then another truck pulls in, and they park kind of far down over there. You can see them.
Those guys.
And so we got out and came to wait by the doors closest to the store, and they got out and checked the 2 doors next to where we're standing, 2 sets of doors next to where we're standing. They didn't check our door, so we don't know if they're here for the pin release or not, or they're just creepy. I don't really know, but
Or
the doors
maybe
don't
we're
open.
creepy.
The doors don't open until 7, so we have like, I already forgot what time it was, I'm tired. We have like 30 more minutes out here, so we will update you all when we get into...
Oh, we forgot to mention something.
Oh, we did?
Yeah, so we've been here since
I did say, I said that.
right before 5.
I said that.
The doors open at 7, but then the Disney store itself doesn't even open till 10. So once we get inside at 7, we're just gonna chill around at the entrance to the Disney store for 3 hours
Yep.
until they open, which should be fun. So we're gonna do that. All right, so here's the game plan.
We've got cars, folks, and we've got another one.
We've got people here that are probably going to come wait with us. But here's the plan. So we got 2 doors. We got one here, and we got one here. We're going to take this door, because as you can see, well, you probably can't see, but you go up through here, then you go around the corner there. This door is the closest to this wall, which means you can turn the corner the fastest from this door. So that's what we're going to do. And then the Disney store is also against, once you turn, it's against the closest wall. So this is definitely the closest path.
You're freezing.
She's frozen. Even though she has a nice warm coat on. I do too, but yeah. Okay, we're ready. Let's do it. Alright, Ash, what's the time?
6:54.
It's 6:54. We've got 5 minutes and some seconds until we can get in. They have turned the lights on officially.
We still don't know if the cars that are here for
Yeah, we
this or not.
still don't know why these people are here. They could be for this, or they could be here to walk.
Yeah, because
those
they
are-
open at 7 for the walkers.
Those are their only 2 options. So we will see. Keep y'all updated. About to head in. We're finally in. It's a little past 7 and we are frozen, but we made it. I think every store in here is closed. It should be. Lights are on though, which is cool. But yes, this is it. We are first. This is it. The early bird gets the worm. We have done it. We've done it. We are first. This is incredible. Oh man. First. This is great.
Guys,
We're first.
this is amazing. And it is 7:04, and so we know he opens that door first. I don't know if he did these doors. Where did he even come from?
That's a good question. I don't know. I do think he unlocked the door down there first because he came from over here and he hadn't been walking down the sidewalk. So I think he unlocked that one first. Then hit the one we just came in. And then he's gonna go hit that one. So yeah. Yeah, we did it. We did it. We did it.
And they're playing Phil Collins' Dad, This Is For You.
Can't wait to get in here at 10. Oh. It has come down to me. I'm over waiting in front of the Disney store all by myself. Been here for 2.5 hours now. Well, inside 2.5 hours. We've been here 4.5 hours. It's currently 9:31. So 28 minutes and some seconds we can go inside. So we're ready. One more thing. Finally, 2 of the cast members finally came and turned on the lights. So pretty soon we should be able to get in here, get our pins, maybe look around for a minute, and get out. So that's what's on the agenda. So about 27 more minutes. There goes Ash. Maybe she'll finally come join me and I won't have to wait here alone. There she comes. Welcome.
Hi. Yeah, our Disney store is so cool. All the things at the top.
I always wonder what song they're playing or listening to. I always wonder what song they're playing or listening to, but it doesn't say.
Where them?
Yeah.
Online. It makes
About to open up the gates.
that I can get it online though, because I don't want it.
Can't wait to get in. It's almost on. Let's open it.
Are you gonna video me?
Absolutely. Let the magic begin.
All right, guys. You got the Force with you this morning?
Yes, we do. We've had it since way early.
Way early this
I thought
morning,
there would
huh?
be people here. I'm sure.
All right. So every night, of course, our Force goes to sleep here at the anchor store, but we know we are one with the Force. So we're gonna wake it up today, okay? On the count of 3, we're gonna Force push, and we're gonna wake our magic up. Okay? Ready?
All right.
1, 2, 3. We did it! Yes, you did it! I knew you had it.
Let the magic begin.
Thank you so much. Now, let's go get what you have been waiting all your life for, right?
Oh, I know. I don't even think I want to admit what time we got here this morning.
Alright, now that we have secured the pin set, let's open them up and have a look. So we have Rey's lightsaber, Kylo Ren's, Luke Skywalker's, Darth Sidious, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Mace Windu, Master Yoda, Darth Vader, Qui-Gon Jinn, Anakin Skywalker, Count Dooku, and of course, Darth Maul.
I'm still not over how amazing the pins were. The size of the box is absolutely ginormous.
Oh, we got it right here, so let's just
Yeah.
prop it up on my leg. Sorry, Ash, you're blocked out.
That's okay. I'm so tired.
Yeah, these are amazing.
But when we walked in, the lady had them on the counter, and I was just like, oh my gosh, because the box was huge. We were thinking something kind of small. And the pins are really good size too. So yeah, and they only had 2 in the store.
Mm-hmm. Only had 2.
And we got 2. We got 1 each. So they were definitely worth the price because they're so awesome.
And the 5-hour wait time.
Yeah, we got there at 5 a.m. as you all know.
Yeah, we got there at 5 a.m. Store didn't open till 10. We waited outside for 2 hours in the freezing cold and rain. And then we waited inside for 3 hours. So yeah, 5-hour day. But yeah, definitely well worth it. These are extremely cool pins. Very limited. At first I thought they wouldn't be that big or that cool. Because the little pamphlet you get, I mean, the box they show on it, I mean, looks like it's, I don't know, 6 by 8, something like that. So not very big, but this box is very large. Like, there's like a shoebox, basically.
For like really big feet.
Yeah. So yeah, these are very cool pins, and we are very, very happy to have them.
Yes. Even though we were the only ones there, we thought there would be a line. But there wasn't. It was so well worth the wait, and it was a cool experience. So be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on post notifications so you can get updated every time we post a new video. Let us know in the comments if you enjoyed this video and if you'd want to see more videos like it for new pin releases.
And thank you all so much for joining us on this adventure. Until next time, may the Force be with you.